trapping.
Coming up to where I had the accident. There it is. Yeah, I was on this zebra crossing right here waiting for a lady. The lady crossed. She was in the middle of the zebra crossing. She waved at me and the guy smashed in the back at me and took me out on my motorcycle. And every time I go past that zebra crossing, I get a bit wary. I'm a bit nervous, a bit scared, a bit panicking. Just a little bit. A bit more checking. More worrying about who's behind me, what they're doing, and what they ain't doing.